warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Syifa Fajrin from Group 2. Today, I will explain why should we pay attention to the ethic of coughing and sneezing, especially during a pandemic. As we know, disease can easily infect through the air. Without realizing it, sneezing and coughing can spread the virus. Therefore, we should not cough and sneeze carelessly. Get to know some etiquette that must be done when sneezing and coughing. Maybe, when most of us want to sneeze or cough, reflex use our hands to cover it. However, this method is not completely correct. The reason is, viruses and bacteria can move on the palms of the hands. After that, it is transmitted to other people when shaking hands. Therefore, ethics when sneezing and coughing is very important. First, when you feel like sneezing and coughing, immediately take a tissue to cover your nose and mouth. After that, throw away the tissue. For those who don't carry tissue, don't cover your nose and mouth with your palms, but use your upper arms. The purpose of practicing ethics when sneezing and coughing is to prevent that spread of the virus. Perhaps some sneezing and coughing do not contain harmful germs. However, germs and viruses can come from the oral cavity that is secreted when sneezing and coughing is done. This is most likely to from colonies causing infection. For those of you who are suffering from a cough, you should use a mask. If necessary, distance yourself a little so that other people do not get infected. That's a little knowledge about the ethic of sneezing and coughing that we need to do so that the disease transmission can be prevented. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.